Hello shining stars, welcome back to my channel seraphicstar.life. This is the weekly guidance video for all of you. Thank you so much everyone who has commented so far on the post that I have posted for the weekly tarot guidance. Thank you so much. And if you are new to my channel, then this is the weekly guidance video. You can see here that I have laid down the 3-pack of the cards, the group O, the group G and the group N. You can focus on these cards. If you wish, you can meditate on these cards. Take your time, and once you feel you are ready and the card towards which you feel most drawn towards, be it the group O, group G or group N, you can directly go onto the timestamps. I have given the timestamps below in the description box, and you can go on the given timestamp of that particular group that you have chosen for yourself and see what's coming for the coming week for you. So and if you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and do like the video if you do resonate with the reading. Thank you so much for everyone who has been supporting me so far and have been liking my videos and the post. This support means a lot to me, so thank you so much. Now let's just start with the weekly tarot guidance for the group O. Welcome group O. Here are the cards for you if you have chosen group O for yourself. The coming week is going to bring in a lot of energy and a lot of tasks to take care, and it's going to be a very busy week. The energy is going to be fast moving, and to manage well, you are advised to take help or to take support from your colleagues at the work front and from your family or the friends when it comes to your personal matters. If you are feeling a lot burdened this week, do not end up taking way too much responsibilities this week if you're already taking care of lot of tasks at workplace. Ask for support from colleagues at work or from your friends and family on personal front. Keep moving, as you are moving in the right direction. You are moving in the right direction, so please do keep moving. Do not give up. You are just there at the end, and you are going to win in this particular situation. The task that you have been handling, the hard work that you have been putting into this project that you are working on, you are definitely going to reap all the benefits for this project, that the hard work that you have paid off. All your hard work and efforts will be paid off well, and they will not go unnoticed. Also, at the same time, the Lord Ganesha is also blessing you. He's also telling you that all your hard work will be rewarded, and do not lose faith, especially now when you are just reaching the finishing line. So do not lose your faith. He is advising you to appreciate yourself and appreciate the hard work that you have done so far, and just be grateful for the journey that you have come for so long. And if you are someone in the group O who is having a bandwidth to take more responsibilities and be a multitasker, then please try to take some work from your team members or family members. Try to help them. If you see that they are trying alone to manage the work, so try to help them. Share the burden with them. Also, as it says that sharing is caring, so please do lend a hand this week to someone who is in need, be it at workplace or in the personal front. This week, when you see changes coming your way, which I definitely see that there is going to be a change coming your way, so then do embrace those changes and do not try to resist the change, because no matter how much you try to resist the change is anyways coming this week. And neither be afraid of it, as definitely this change is going to bring in something good for you. To embrace the change, you may need to leave behind your old ways of doing things and transform yourself. So stay focused. Change is a constant thing in our life. We learn from these changes, we grow and we evolve. That is how the life is. So try to keep yourself centered and grounded this week. That's all that I have for the group O. Have a very grounding week ahead, group O. Take care. Please do leave your comments in the comment section below. If you like this reading, then please do like the video. Thank you so much, group O. Take care. Namaste. Welcome Group G, here are the cards for you. If you have chosen Group G, then here is the guidance for you for the upcoming week. The upcoming week is asking you to look after your relationships and especially your karma, as here is the Justice card. And make sure you are not doing anything wrong within your relationships. Take care of your relationships this week, nurture them, and try to maintain a balance of give and take. It's very important in life that we are not only acting as the givers or the takers. So we need to maintain a balance of a give and take in our relationship, especially if you are expecting someone to love. It's very important that you also give out love to them. Next is you are advised to cooperate in your relationships and give love, honesty, and peace in your relationships. See how you can bring in the harmony in your relationships. What role are you playing where you can bring in the peace, harmony, and the truth in your relationship? There are high chances for this group, if you are single and looking forward for any marriage proposals. So I do see that there are high chances of receiving marriage proposals this week, but you are advised this week to think before taking any decision, be it saying yes or no for the proposals, and if possible try to delay the decisions for this week at least, or make sure that you are weighing down all the pros and cons while taking the decision. And also, if it's like just not the marriage proposal but a new relationship coming into your life, so you are required, you are being advised this week to be very wisely taking the decision and just not to jump into the decisions this week. But I definitely see new partnerships happening in this week for the Group G people. And it's not only when it comes only for the love relationships, also for the business matters too. If you're thinking to sign any legal contract, then make sure you seek legal advice if it is required. And also Lord Ganesha is also advising you to be to not only see through your physical eyes but to see through your eyes of soul and see if this deal is actually bringing in the profit to you, and how is this deal going to serve you. So be very wise while signing any contracts or agreements this week. Also Group G, if for any reasons, if you are feeling limited or feeling stuck in the situation right now, Lord Ganesha is advising you to set yourself free in order to attain the joy that your heart desires, as he wants you to understand the deeper meaning and the deeper meaning of these situations when we are stuck. He is advising you to, particularly at this time when you are stuck in whatever situation, be observant and learn what is it that the life is trying to tell you, what is it that the life is trying to make you understand. So that's all that I have for the Group G. Have a very loving week ahead. Do take care of yourself and your loved ones in the coming week. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you do resonate with the reading, if you like the reading, then please do like the video, subscribe to my channel, and do share your comments in the comment section below. Namaste. Welcome Group N, here are the cards for you for the upcoming week. So if you have chosen the Group N, here is the guidance for the upcoming week for you. This week is all about actions. So this week is asking you to take action and lead with your heart and the truth. This week is a calling for you to act on the plans that you have been planning on from past few weeks or months, and stay focused on your goal. No matter if right now you are amid the stormy period fighting for what you truly believe in, so keep doing it, keep fighting for what is right for you and what you believe in. Keep going, be assertive in your approach, and do not give up at this point of time. One of the messages for you is Group N, that you are moving in the right direction, so stay focused on your vision, do not hold back, and most importantly, trust your feelings, trust your intuition. What is your intuition telling you about this particular situation in your life? And whatever decisions you have been holding back so far, this week you are asked to take action on those decisions. Lord Ganesha is also blessing you and providing you his support, and he's advising you to openly express yourself because when our heart is open, our actions do match with our words. So whatever is it that is bothering you, try to communicate openly and express yourself rather than just building it up within yourself. Address the issues that you have been ignoring. Do take action. There is a calling this week for you, so do take action on them. This week is all about action and not for reflection. Remember, you have to take the action this week. Whatever decisions you have been delaying for so long, this week is actually a calling for you to take actions on those decisions. That's all that I have for Group N. Have a very enthusiastic week ahead, Group N. Take care of yourself and do take the action that are required in this week. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you do resonate with the video and the reading, then please do like the video, subscribe to my channel, and please do leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much, guys. Namaste.